September 2021, we went on a month-long journey through the Pacific Northwest. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
Our third week into our Pacific Northwest adventure, we crossed the Columbia River into Astoria, Oregon.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land. Thought that I was caught in a one-man band. But playing all those sad and lonely songs. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet. Then you came along.
Astoria Column. We climbed the 160 plus stairs to the top of Astoria Column to take in the surrounding views.
You were lifting me higher, and when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found.
Well, what's the time?
6 or 8.
Not yet. Almost.
Treated by someone so tenderly. I'm afraid that I might wake up someday. Sometimes I feel like I'm someone else. I don't really know if I can trust myself. When I think of who I used to be. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were
As we headed out of town, we stopped at Peter Iredale shipwreck along the coast.
in my weary feet. And then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire. Out of the cold into the fire. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet. And then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me high.
On it. Don't quote me on it, but I think that between those rocks is where the stagecoach came low tide and then around the coast because the stagecoach had to go along the coastline. When it was high tide, I don't know what they did. We spent the afternoon exploring, of Ecola State Park, and when we were leaving and entering Cannon Beach, we came across a herd of elk grazing along the road in a local neighborhood. Oh my gosh, there's one down the street down there. Hello. Well, I think he wants to go across. I know. I can't do two at the same time.
Very cool.
That's why these people live here, Richard.
That's why they